Fully factorise and solve the following. Leave answers in surd form where necessary. So if we look at part A, where we have x squared minus 17x plus 60, we're looking for numbers that multiply to give 60 and add to give negative 17. So looking at the factors of 60, 12 times 5 seems that will work for us, because if we have negative 12 and negative 5, those do add to give negative 17. And so our factorization is x minus 12, x minus 5, and that's equal to 0, giving us that x is equal to 12, or 5. For the next one, we have 3x squared minus 9 equals 0. Since 3 can't be 0, it must be the x squared minus 9 that is equal to 0. And that's just dividing both sides by 3. And we can factorize that as a difference of perfect squares. X minus 3, x plus 3 is equal to 0, giving us that x is equal to 3, or negative 3. So the next one is 2x squared minus 8x plus 10 equals 0, but there's a mistake here, which I only found by looking at the mark scheme. That is supposed to be a minus, otherwise it doesn't actually solve. If we divide through by 2, we get x squared minus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. So we're looking for numbers that multiply to give negative 5 and add to get negative 4. And so negative 5 and positive 1 will do that. And so we have x minus 5, x plus 1 is equal to 0, giving us x is equal to 5, or negative 1. Then we have x squared minus 4x minus 7 equals 0. So with this one, we're not going to find anything that multiplies to give negative 7 and adds to give negative 4. So it's not done by factorizing in that way. And so what we're going to do is complete the square on x squared minus 4x. And I'd already done that earlier up there, so just please ignore that working. I should have deleted that from the video. So we've got x squared minus 4x. We want to complete the square on that. So we have x, and then half of this coefficient, and then we take away 2 squared. The reason that works is that x minus 2 squared, if you expand, is x squared minus 4x plus 4. We want the x squared minus 4x and not the 4, so we take it off. So this becomes x minus 2 squared, take away 4, take away 7 equals 0. So that's x minus 2 squared, take away 11 equals 0. There's a couple of different ways you can go there. You can use the difference of perfect squares now and have that as x minus 2 take away root 11 and x minus 2 plus root 11 equals 0. And that would give you the solutions that x is equal to 2 plus root 11, or 2 take away root 11. Another way of doing that is just to put the 11 on the other side. So those are solutions. It's another way of doing it. Put the 11 on the other side, square root, and don't forget the plus or minus, and then take the 2 onto the other side, and you've got 2 plus or minus root 11.